Good morning, all of you. My name is Charan Kamal Singh, and my student ID is 30374190. So, I just completed my master project along with my group members Gurjot, Priyanka, Shivani. So, we just uh, develop an app which was called Shopping List. So, in which we have divided our individual tasks that belongs. I have done all the testing parts of my software, and which was very useful for the customers to use that app, and it's very easy to use. So when I just started this app, it was I really find very interesting in this interested app to build, because it's always been a it's last semester, and we need to put all our experience what we have learned throughout the degree. So this is our last chance to prove us what we have learned from university, or what we have learned from the degree. So we have put all our 100% efforts to make this app very comfortable, very Apple, is easy to use, and it was both Android side and the iOS side. It was supported by both formats. So the basically the thing is that when you're trying a good things, and you also may get some problems while you may we just got some problems where we have some repetitions, where we have some duplicacy in database. So we just sort it out everything with the help of normalization, and we have done each and everything on a very good plat, and in the end of the day it's a very good teamwork. So I have done what basically I'm just further going to explain what I learned from this project, and how we can make this project all together. So it's basically a teamwork. You can't, even a front end or a back end man can't design a software. So it's all basically a teamwork. So my group members Gurjot, Priyanka, and Shivani Dua, they just they just take care of the back end database and everything. So I just keep testing each and everything when we have designed one thing, or we just designed one particular module. So I'm the one who is testing each and everything, so that particular system or the particular thing is gonna work or not. So I have tested each and every module twice, thrice, until unless we get the good results. So we just keep trying those things again and again. So the credit goes to our teachers as well, because supervisor and client and our service, they all are help us throughout the project, because we actually throughout the week we have a three classes with them. So one with supervisor, and one with client, and one with the main teacher. So they just help us in each and every step of the project. Suppose we have made some modules, and then we show to the supervisor and client, and they just given us advice. This, if you improve this part, or you just been improve this one, so that's gonna help you guys to make it more clear or more visible. And it's good impact when you just guys improve these things. So we just listen to those words, and that's the result came that we have done with a very good project in the end of the day, or end of the semester. And even though throughout the throughout the project we have some issues with the data duplicancy, because sometimes when something is already in your database, and sometimes you need to add, so that we have sorted out with the normalization. And each each and every member of the each and every member of this project is being involved in, and equal contribution has been provided to this project, because you can't design this whole or big project without the help of your team members. And i was I was love to thank Federation University as well, so giving us a great chance to experience what we learned from this degree and what we have in your hand. So with the help of these projects, we are clearly know that what we learn from this degree and what we are where we are actually, the federation has given us chance to, we can see that where we can stand, right? So that's why it's a very, it's very, it's a very good project. And we learn, it's not that we have done a hard work, so that come all through. Even throughout the degree, we just have a better experience, because when you can't do any work, you can't get experience. So we get experience, and we have a very good teamwork. So that's why we just come to know that it's a very good project. So basically, I'm just going to explain in the further part that how our app is gonna work. Suppose suppose you want to do a window shopping, and you are sitting at home, and you want to select your shopping list. And you can select your categories, and after that you can select your items. You can select your quantities, what the quantities you want, what the things you want. It's very much clear in written over there that what you want or what you not want. It's very much over there. So it's good thing that it's clearly mentioned that which items you want, whatever you want. I just love one feature in this app, that you can add your own categories as well, or you can give us suggestions that this needs to be done, or this need to be fixed, or this need to be improved, or this need to be added. So if you go to the suggestion box and you give your suggestions, and we will get back to you, and we will just fix those situations and solutions, so we can take care of, we can take care of the customer relationships with the help of the suggestion box. Or you can add your own categories and everything as well. So according to me, these functions makes apps very easy and reliable, because because the customer always want is a good service. When you're providing a good service to the customer, it's always been a handy for everyone, because uh, window shopping is nowadays is in very good trend. So it's all up to you that how you can represent to the world, because nowadays the thing is that the thing is matter is how you represent it, the way of your representation. Because the way of representation shows the how your work has been done, and what you have done, and how much your hard work is in behind the work. Is everything's gonna explain just with the display what you are displaying, because first impression is always been a last impression. So that's why we just try to fix up each and everything, because before we give to the final touch, we just look each and everything, we just look out each and every possible solutions, possible problems. What so the uh, if if we need, I just want to give one suggestion, that if, or I just want to make one correction as well. If we can say that if I get the time to improve this app, I would love to improve that. We can't set a forget, if we forget a password and we can't reset that password, we need to do what, we need to do it all the reset again. And then that's the one, drawback of this app. Otherwise I don't think so that it gonna have some drawbacks for this website. So that's why we just need to concentrate on these things. So that's all for this project. Thanks a lot.